I love this organization because of the opportunities that they present, teams that I'm able to be on, projects I'm able to join to help improve processes and just streamline things from all the way from getting an order or getting an inquiry all the way down the stream. How can we make things better to make it flow easier? So we have to be on our toes and think outside the box because there's always different problems we need to solve for.
Every day is a little different. You can have a plan for your day, but one email or one phone call changes everything. It all depends on what feedback you might get on a problem.
We welcome everybody's ideas, so that's how I spend a lot of my time with my team, is listening to their feedback and trying to figure out how we can change things and improve processes and make things better.
Our goal for trying to get any new business is to not be the barrier. We don't want planning to be the reason why we didn't get new business in the pipeline. So we always try to say yes whenever possible. If we have a target to hit, we will hit it. And that's where we get a lot of pride.